Hey there, Sparkrock community. In this video, we're looking at new configuration options that give HR teams more control over employee profile changes in My Sparkrock directly from Sparkrock HRP. In this video, we'll cover the new employee profile change configuration page, where you can control which profile fields employees can edit and which changes can be auto-approved. And second, a new Postal zip validation setup flag, which can require postal and zip code changes to be validated before employees submit a profile change. Let's get started. Previously, HR teams didn't have an easy governed way in Sparkrock HRP to control employee self-service behavior by field. For example, what fields employees can edit in My Sparkrock and what changes should be auto-approved versus sent for approval. With the new employee profile change configuration page, admins can manage those rules in one place instead of relying on all or nothing behavior or manual review for everything. So first, let's look at the new configuration page. We'll navigate to the My Sparkrock Solution Setup page, and there's a new employee profile change configuration action. This opens the new employee profile change configuration page that lists the employee profile fields that can be managed for My Sparkrock. You'll see a preloaded list of fields, so things like name, marital status, phone numbers, etc., etc. And now for each profile field, you can control two key settings. First, there's Allow Edit on My Sparkrock. That determines whether employees can edit that field in My Sparkrock. And then there's Allow Auto Approve on Changes. This controls whether a change to that field will be approved automatically when submitted. So, for example, if you want to allow employees to change this field, you can just select Allow Auto Approve on Changes. And now when an employee changes that in My Sparkrock, it will automatically be saved. An administrator doesn't need to approve. And same thing, if we don't want employees to even be able to change these fields, say that one, perhaps we prefer that they have to contact HR to be able to change those, we can deselect the option under Allow Edit, and they won't be able to change it in My Sparkrock at all. And now over on My Sparkrock, you'll see that on the employee profile, the employee can't edit those fields. And whatever the employee updates, if Allow Auto Approve is turned on, the change will be saved automatically. No need for an admin to approve it. Now, if Allow Auto Approve is turned off, which is the default, the behavior will remain exactly the same. This can save admins a lot of time so they focus on only approving important fields. Now let's look at the new setup flag for postal and zip validation. So if we navigate to the Advanced HR Setup page, under the External Setup Fast tab, there's a new field, Validate Postal Zip Codes on Profile Changes. By default, this setting is off. However, if we enable it, now My Sparkrock will validate postal and zip values before a profile change is submitted for a review to make sure they're in the correct Canada or US format. That's a quick look at the new configuration options for employee profile changes. First, the employee profile change configuration page for controlling editability and auto approval by field, and the new Validate Postal Zip Codes on Profile Changes flag in Advanced HR Setup. As always, we recommend reviewing the release notes so you don't miss any additional details. Thanks so much for watching.